Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Noong January 2020, isang batang Pinoy undefeated ang umapak sa Amerika para kasahan ang tubong Texas, USA na undefeated din at dating tumalo na kay Tank Davis amateur na si Ernesto Delgadillo. Ang batang Pinoy boxer na ito ay walang iba kundi ang dating amateur boxing star ng Pinas na si Jade Hurricane Bornilla. Oo mga pre, sikat sa amateur dahil sa dumayo na siya sa ibang bansa gaya ng Armenia at ilang boxer doon ang tinalo niya. May mga dumayo din dito sa Pinas na tinalo ni Bornilla tulad na lang ng Hapon na dating WBO World Flyweight Champion na si Pusay Tanaka. At 2 beses na din pala silang naglaban ng kasalukuyang WBA at IBF Super Bantamweight Champion na si Morojon Akhmadaliv na napabalitang posibleng makalaban din ni Marlon Tapares. Talo si Bornilla sa una nilang laban pero nakabawi sa pangalawang bakbakan. Sa labang Bornilla versus Delgadillo ay talagang bakbakan ang nangyari. Binuhos lahat ng talento at tapang si babaw ng lona. Labanan ng puro undefeated. May record si Bornilla na 14 wins, 0 loss, 10 via knockout. Habang 11 wins, 2 draws, 2 via knockout naman si Delgadillo. Pero tila na dismaya ang buong kampo ni Delgadillo sa naging resulta at makikita mismo sa mukha ang pagkatulala. Split decision pabor sa ating bata. Naging usap-usapan ang resulta ng kanilang laban. Tila din kasi matanggap ni Delgadillo ang naging score ng mga hurado. Tila isang upset ang nangyari na naging susi sa pag-akyat ng Pinoy sa listahan ng IBF organization. Sa isang interview kay Bornilla na makikita sa Powcast Sports YouTube channel ay sinabi ni Bornilla na sa unang laban daw niya sa Amerika kontra kay Delgadillo ay talagang nahirapan siya sa pag-adjust sa klima sa Amerika. Nagkasipon at lagnat pa nga daw siya bago ang laban nila. Di daw sa kondisyon sa laban nila pero panalo pa rin siya sa bakbakan. Paano na kaya kung 100% ang kondisyon nitong si Bornilla mga pre? Baka mas impresibong panalo pa ang may papakita niya. Sabay nating balikan mga pre ang highlights ng laban ni Jade Hurricane Bornilla kontra Ernesto Delgadillo at kayo na ang humusga kung sakto lang ba ang naging resulta na split decision sa laban nila.
Round number 1. White and gold trunks for the Filipino Bornilla. White trunks, green and red trim for the American by way of Texas, Ernesto Delgadillo.
Sa laban, mapapansin agad ang height advantage nitong si Bornilla. 5'4" habang 5'1" lang si Delgadillo. Under din ng Roy Jones Jr. Promotion si Bornilla dito.
Bornilla 2-inch listed height advantage, 5'4" to Delgadillo. Very calm coming into this bout. Clearly huge. Delgadillo.
Angles, and I like that, especially against a guy like Bornilla who can really punch.
Plus feet, fellas.
Bornilla, you see the slow stalking pressure. Now 45 seconds remaining, round number 1. There's a big shot to the body. Delgadillo, as he said he would, look to counter immediately to the head.
By Bornilla.
Overhand right, and by Bornilla for round number 2. Aggressive start.
Well, he has 10 KOs in his 14 fights, but I understand what he means by that. He says he's just too nice of a guy, and so we'll see whether he is able to implement any of that if he can get Delgadillo in any trouble here. But right now, it's different, the movement, the angles, that.
Jab by Delgadillo.
Stop.
Quick separation by Jack Reese and right back to it.
Should mention Delgadillo's jab is, of course, the right jab off the southpaw style.
The speed of both of these 115-pounders.
And notice who switched now to southpaw.
Smile on the face of Bornilla on that separation. 110 remaining, round number 2.
Not giving up much. When he gets hit with a shot, he fires right back. Definitely not intimidated. Bornilla's first fight in the U.S. There's a nice straight shot by Bornilla that snapped the head back of. All right, we have southpaw and southpaw right now. There he went
body.
to the body.
He goes to the body. He said, I'm countering immediately to the head. Jab not getting through. Too keen. Move back to his corner by Jack Reese.
He works it to the body. His lack of height and going even lower.
He's trying to work off of the jab. Now it's forward pressure by Delgadillo. Open the straight shots down the middle.
There's a lot of there's a lot of good stuff going on here, subtle stuff. Head movement, upper body movement by both fighters. Just subtle, just a little head movement and upper body movement. Ooh, that was a good shot by.
Here in round number 3. Just like that on cue with the left hand. 125 remaining in this third. Jade Bornea.
Bornea really sat down on that straight left, but it went over the head of Delgadillo.
Delgadillo inside, outside.
Right hook landed to the body by Bornea.
Tripling the seconds remaining in this third round, Smitty. Bornea, by and large, is setting the tempo of this fight.
Stop.
Bouncing the step of Jade Bornea as we start round number 4.
That separate fighters from being good and great and world champions and even legendary. It's just subtle stuff like what you see going on right now. And
Makikitang mas agresibo din ang Pinoy habang counter sa bayakap lang madalas si Delgadillo.
there's some pause in the action.
With that flick right hand. Delgadillo shooting the right hand.
Just had him on the show. And what Manny has done for the Philippines in boxing is
It doesn't get through from Ernesto Delgadillo. There's a body attack now from Bornea, and right back on the counter to the head from Delgadillo. Good straight left hand. Counter right hand right back. You're being turned up here in the 4th round.
Bornea is starting to find his range, though, to the body
Don't hold his
and
head
to
down.
the head. Like that.
3-punch combination. That hand from Delgadillo. More pressure now from Delgadillo. Smitty, how do you have this through 4 rounds here?
Second round for Delgadillo, and then the last 2 with Bornea starting to come on, find the range, find the power, and hasn't really set down on the big shots. I think that's coming now.
Good right hand and a counter right hand right back from Delgadillo.
Sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds, mas agresibo pa rin si Bornea. Sabay atake sa bodega gamit ang mga pamatay niyang mga tira. Habang kumakaunter at madalas atras pa rin si Delgadillo.
Straight left there by
continuing in this southpaw stance. Bigger swings now from both men.
what makes it so difficult to fight a guy like Bornea, it kind of like fighting Bud Crawford, is that he switches all the time, he has power in both hands, so it's hard to say I'm going to get out of the way of one shot.
The issue is not does Bornea's right glove touch, it swipes, it's was that a legal punch? 2 misses from Bornea. 25 seconds remaining, round 5.
That right jab will set up body shots.
Closing in on the halfway line of our main event again to the winner, the currently vacant NABF Super Flyweight Championship. Significant swelling, but it's on the cheekbone, not a mouse under the eye. Big stop start, a little bit clunky from both men in round 2, but then a nice flow has emerged in this fight. There's a big body shot, and that's ruled a knockdown by Jack Reese.
Round 6, natawagan ng knockdown si Bornea, pero makikita sa replay na tila natulak lang ito ng kamao na tumama sa likod ng kanyang ulo.
It should not have been a knockdown. Bornea certainly complained about it, but now he's right back in there trying to get his own knockdown.
Big right hand from Bornea.
Stop.
Bornea, since taking that knockdown, has certainly turned up the temperature, turned up the aggression versus about this yesterday off there.
Cuffed him behind the neck and pushed him down. So, but you know, from that, that's a great referee. But that.
Pero sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds ay mas naging agresibo at mas naging gigil pa itong Pinoy.
When I see the replay, I was wrong.
155. Well, our host tonight, it is sold out for Roy Jones Jr. Boxing live on UFC.
Thought he won the round. But 10-8, and it evens this fight up on my card, Sean.
Straight left hand from Bornea.
Clean that, I'll break it down. But that was what you brought out early, the fact that he goes so low. When he goes low, there's just...
That is the end of round. Not so much, but again, the sporting touch of gloves, swelling.
Close it a little bit. Nice shotgun jam by Bornea. No.
Delgadillo really looking effective in this fight. And if you go back to the things he talked about with this in his fighter meeting yesterday, if Bornea goes to the body, he's going to quick counter to the head.
Shots, everything is off of that, you know, educated right jab. There's a good combo by Bornea.
The bigger puncher, but he was the more consistent puncher. That necessarily has not played out thus far in this fight. Is attacking the body. That's really
Do some similar things. Right now they're both fighting off the southpaw style. They're both not looking to run.
it's a good left hand from Bornea. Body shot by Delgadillo. We are through 8. Round number 9.
All of those items on display by these guys.
Stop.
Is the infighting center of the ring in the pocket. Really, no one's been on the ropes in this fight.
And good action.
And you see Delgadillo getting underneath those shots, making himself even. Yeah, hook to the head. Straight right hand from Delgadillo.
To be the guy most of the time coming forward and dictating most of the action. This is work there by Delgadillo, getting underneath everything.
See Bornea punching down now. Delgadillo really extended you in a professional boxing ring.
Let him go. Let him go.
Closing stages, round number 9.
Break. Stop at the bell. The horn.
Very even 6.
Good luck. You got your mouthpiece?
Ernesto Delgadillo recording the knockdown on Jade Bornea.
I mean, it's razor close.
Sa mga huling rounds, mas nakakatama pa rin si Bornea, mas umaabante. Pero sumasabay din naman itong si Delgadillo gamit ang kanyang mga counter.
And the stalking pressure. In a fight this close, you look for little things.
In first, most of the time, Jade, and coming forward like that. Nice jab there by Bornea.
30th and final minute. And you hear that closing his eye. There's the right hand from Delgadillo. Knowledgeable, respectful crowd, and they appreciate this from these two high-level 115-pounders. Out the right hand from the southpaw stance. Walk down pressure to the body, and that is the end of the fight.
Natapos ng dalawa ang 10 rounds na laban, makikitang natulala si Delgadillo noong inanunsyo na hindi pala siya ang nanalo, kundi ang atin palang pambato.
2.
For your winner by split decision and new NABF Super Flyweight Champion, Jade Hurricane Bornea.
In the end, whether it was a knockdown or not, it does not matter. A split decision win for the Filipino in his US debut, Jade
Huwag
Bornea.
kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.